So I've bought a PC and I'm trying to build... Oh, I'm so tired, I can't be arsed telling you what I'm doing. So I've bought a PC and I'm trying to build stuff on a table so I can put monitors. I'm trying to build a setup is what I'm trying to say. And to be quite frank with you, I can't be arsed doing this, so I'm going to have something to eat. Right, step one, install a pole to the desktop. You know what I might just do? A time lapse of this, because I can't be arsed. So yeah, get a time lapse.
I'm doing a voiceover to fill a gap in audio. I can't build things to save my life. Goodbye.
That's actually quite easy, that. I'm just really stupid. I was meant to do a time lapse of me doing this grommet. It's called a grommet. And I still haven't finished it, so we'll just skip forward then, won't we? Because I can't be arsed with this shit. I'm going to get something to eat, I can't be arsed. Mum, you're in a video. Do you want to build me desk for me? No. People can't see you when you're stuck behind the fridge. Come back. There's a mattress there, by the way, if anyone wants one. That's the easiest bit to do, and that took me about an hour. So now, we're putting the arms on. Just ignore me room, it's a shithole. I don't even know what to do now. It says install this to the arm, but I'm a bit confused. Arm D to pole A. What's D? And what's A? Oh no. Right, I'm gonna go sick, I think. I've lost an Allen key. Right, lad. Okay. Oh, bolts on the run. You saying? Attach the wire clip. What wire clip? And like that, the let go, ta-da, bing bong. Get in, lovely, fuck off. So now I've got to put this on there. This is my old monitor, and to be honest, yeah, I don't know how to get the fucking back off it. What do I do? Oh, it fell off. Boss. I watched the video yesterday, it was like, I don't know what it was like actually. Something to do with this.
And you pull straight out.
What? Are you f***ing liar? I'm gonna smash this over someone's head. What do you mean? Oh, yes! Yes! Yeah! Right, we're actually getting somewhere there, you know. Swear. Lads and lasses. And also pigeons. Don't forget the pigeons. Get on this one. Oh shit. Right there. Okay, I've done that wrong, haven't I? Fuck's sake. Put that bar on upside down. Ah! Hey. Watch this. Eddie. Oh shit. Yay! I've just realised that I've got no room. Oh, Tom. Any monitor snobs, right? I'm not bothered because I've just bought the same monitor as the one I've already got. So if you've got a problem, unlucky. Oh, that's well better actually. It's a bit better. Hank, get down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Right. I don't even know what this. Oh, it's the same as the other one. Hello, Brian. Sorry, I'm stimming. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself here. Ignore me. Ignore me. Shut up, you fucking. I'm dead sorry the lighting on here is crap, but I'm not on a. I'm not a professional, you know what I mean? I just work here. Yeah. Hello, lad. Hello, lad. Kind of cocked up a little bit here. How's he done that then? Looks alright. It's one of those things, isn't it? It's gonna have to do. I'm now gonna put this up. So it's basically just that. Don't get me wrong, I'm having fun making this video and that, but stress. By the way, the lighting stinks because I'm literally sat in front of my window, but whatever. La 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 la. Oh, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm fucking sweating. There it is. Hello. So this is like a desk organiser. It might be crap. We'll see. Goosed. Absolutely goosed.
Hi again, it's just me, just filling the sound because there is none. Goodbye again.
Listen, I know there's some nerds out there like yous and yous love it all, but that'll do you own. It's not that bad, is it? Lots of witches shit. No, I've just got to wire everything. So I'm thinking about under there, putting like a little block so the PC's not just on the floor, but whatever, we'll find out. Right, let's get you underneath the desk. Go on, let's get you under. I'm currently waiting to be... Oh my God, I'm currently waiting to be ridiculed for this decision. Decision, speak English. I'm so tired of all this. It's so tiring. Ugh, nerving a bit. That looks so stupid. Oh, that works. It's temporary. Leave me alone. You know what, right? It's lovely that. I think I've done a good job. And that's the end of that. Yeah, goodbye.